Hello everyone, I'm back. I don't know if you remembered my attempts from last year's single seed challenge that were a big flop. I wanted to do the swan gourd and I didn't read up enough about the plant, the seed, or anything to know that I needed to scarify the seed in order for it to germinate. So it was just really, and I knew they felt hard, and I just didn't even think about it. So it was a fail. Nothing germinated. And then I thought I had started a second one, but I don't think I ever put those videos up because life got complicated. Um, uh, I went out yesterday. Look at that. I couldn't wait to get my nails dirty. Um, It was 60 some degrees and it was about to rain. I'm in Iowa 5B. So that was like a huge energizer for me. And I just went out to the garden and had to poke around and see how thawed my soil was. You can find that video. I uploaded that little mini tour already. Um, but yeah, I'm going to try it again this year. I'm going to make this video short because I don't have a lot of room left on my SD card and I don't feel like editing anything. So from now on, my new approach is just going to be real garden dirt. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit, okay? My thing is, I don't know what to start. I think I'm going to use the Walla Walla onion seed as my single seed challenge because according to the back, they recommend that you start it 10 to 12 weeks before your average last frost date. And for us, it's April 17th, but I know better. Plus, I know that these can withstand going out into the cold if that frost date is completely wrong, which it usually is because we usually get snow still mid-April, late April, whatever. But here in my planner, this represents how many days until I actually will be, or how many weeks, I'm sorry, and that I will actually plant anything out into the garden. This is the Mother's Day weekend. Now, this represents how many weeks until my last frost, or my first, yeah, I had it right. My last frost of April 17th. I got 8 weeks. So I'm like right in the middle there because it said 10 to 12. So if I'm not planning to put them out until then, I think I'm good. And even if I put them out 2 weeks before, that's at 10 weeks, which is not bad. You know what I'm saying? So wish me luck. I'm getting my things together for the weekend. And hopefully I'll have a new SD card to put in my other camera. And I can film the process of me starting my single seed challenge for 2022. I look forward to seeing everyone's videos. Please visit my channel. It would be nice to have some garden friends. I'm kind of alone here. And it's always better with friends, right? Until then, oh, I can't, my book is slanted. Everything keeps sliding. But, yeah, these may be another option too. These I should do because look at that, 24 days. I'd have an instant. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do a early harvest single seed challenge and a later harvest single seed challenge. That way I can have a couple videos going and progress at different stages. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep it green.